Hello friends, welcome to my channel ShubhYouber. Today we are going to learn 10 lines about World Environment Day. Let us start. World Environment Day. Number 1. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year all over the day. Number 2. Environment is the surrounding where we live. Number 3. World Environment Day was first celebrated in 1974 with the theme of Only One Earth. Number 4. It is People's Day for doing something to protect the environment. Number 5. Many camps, seminars, along rallies and morning procession remain the center of attraction of the day. Number 6. World Environment Day is celebrated annually with a new theme assigned by the United Nations. Number 7. People plant young sapling on their neighborhood, clean the garbage from roads and vacant plots, etc. Number 8. The day was launched to promote the safety of the environment. Number 9. The aim of celebrating Environment Day is to bring awareness among the people about the environment. Number 10. Everything living being has to depend on the environment, and we must protect and conserve the environment. In this year 2021 World Environment Day theme is ecosystem restoration. थैंक यू. आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा. नीचे लाल बटन को दबा दीजिएगा. फिर मिलेंगे एक और नई वीडियो के साथ. उसके लिए बाय और जय हिंद, जय भारत.